Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. I did want to update you. I know a lot of you guys have been looking into the Apple and the breakout strategy. It does look like we're gonna clear the week bullish, and we are creating that candle like we wanted to basically go into the breakout strategy. I actually already bought my calls about a month out for 139, 146, and 149, which are basically, I think the take profits are actually start at 146. But you guys know that I like buying one in the money call just to be on the safer side. So as of right now, I have purchased them. We're basically just waiting it out to see if it actually plays out the way that we want it to for about a month out. Currently already about 3% in profit for these Apple calls. I think the Nike ones are still running, which are pretty great. And I actually bought a Microsoft one, I think yesterday or like 2 days ago, to see if that would hit. And it looks like Microsoft might actually hit 280 today, before end of day close, or maybe even on Tuesday. I don't know, but we'll see. Just updating you guys on Apple. Did buy these. If you guys are following the breakout strategy or using the breakout strategy, you guys know that these Apple calls are the next play for us to basically make on basically just to start the examples, to actually start these breakout strategy plays that we're all doing. So I'll see you guys later.